How's it going, everybody? It's me, the Wombat. I'm in my garage. See, there's my guitar, my amps, and more necks from projects. It's like Frankenstein's laboratory out here. But today, I wanted to have a little bit of cereal. And I got to thinking, what do you do when you want to have a bowl of cereal and you don't have a bowl? Does anybody remember? I think they actually still have them, but you could get the variety pack of cereal, and I believe it was Kellogg's or it was General Mills, one of the two big companies. They had all the little boxes that were perforated, and you could just like cut it with a knife, and then you could eat your cereal like that out of a bowl. So I thought, will it work for a bigger box of cereal that's not perforated, but can you get the same results? So I got my Stater Brothers Cocoa Crispy Rice. Again, like always, like everybody, not a sponsor. I need some sponsors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go hungry because I didn't bring a bowl. No, what I'm going to do actually is I am going to do surgery on this box. So let's see if we can do this very carefully. Very, very carefully. You guys want to see what I'm doing? All right, let me show you what I'm doing here. Let me show you what I is doing. This used to tilt. I guess it's just a panning head. Hey, all right, I'll lift it up for you guys after I get through this. Get through this first little part here. The biggest problem with the little boxes was if you usually tried to cut with whatever you could. In my case, it was always a steak knife, and I would always puncture the inner liner, and that was never good because the milk would go everywhere. And that's why I'm in the garage, just in case I have a mishap like that. But here we go. I'm into that part. See? The cereal's all there. Still intact. Still in the bag. So let's see. Shall we make a little incision here? Don't really need this flap because that's just going to get in the way. Same thing with the other flap. Kind of trim it. You don't have to cut it like all the way perfectly down. You want to leave a little bit of an edge. So then you got something like that. Then, carefully, ever so carefully, you cut the inner liner. I know some of the ones are better that have foil and stuff. The ones that used to, the little boxes, they'd put wax paper in there. That stuff would just tear barely looking at it. So, I don't know. We might actually be successful today. Okay. Now, look at that. See that? I am in there. Looks like more like a litter box. Anyways, let's pour the milk, shall we? Shall we? Let's pour the milk! Okay, so far so good. No leaks. See? We have done it. We have been successful. I don't see any leaks. Let's see. Let me tear open the very end so you can see that I'm not messing with you guys. See? There's milk in there. This was a successful experiment and the start of my mukbang career. Just kidding. But anyways, I was wondering if this would work. And now I'm feeling pretty nostalgic. I'm ready for some cartoons. Anyways, I'm going to have some breakfast. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks for coming by, hanging out with me. Maybe we'll jam sometime. Alright, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.